Good evening. A Christian NHS boss and magistrate who was sacked for speaking out against gay adoption is suing his former employers for religious discrimination. While sitting as a magistrate in Kent, Richard Page opposed an adoption application by a same-sex couple, saying it was better for children to have a mother and a father. He was subsequently suspended by the Kent and Medway NHS and Social Care Partnership Trust, who say his stance undermined the confidence of many colleagues. Amanda Acas has more details.
The case revolves around what it means to be discriminated against in British society. Richard Page says he was sacked from his NHS role after comments he made as a magistrate about same-sex adoption because of his Christian beliefs. Those views haven't changed.
That's natural. It's a man and a woman having a child. And it's also, is what is in the Bible, is that a man and a woman look after a child, look after a family, and that's the natural way.
But for many same-sex couples who do bring up children, who step forward to adopt children that don't have parents otherwise, do you not see that they might see this as homophobic?
Well, I wasn't being homophobic. I was doing, my legal requirement was what was best for the child.
He made the original comments after hearing the case of a same-sex couple who wanted to adopt in 2014. But it was a series of media interviews he gave last year to defend his position to the BBC's Caroline Wyatt and on other outlets, which led to him being sacked as a magistrate and then dismissed from his NHS role.
You're the one who is presiding over what is best for this child. You're the one who can have a final say, and yet you are homophobic. You don't think that gay people make good parents, do you? You don't think that a gay lifestyle is natural. You think it's a sin.
No, I think that, again, I go back to the fact that what is my legal requirement is to do what is best for a child.
Well, your legal requirement, with respect, is to uphold the law which says that same-sex marriage since 2002 is legal in this country.
Today, the NHS lawyers questioned his commitment to upholding the law which allows same-sex marriage and also to the Trust's equality and equal opportunities commitments. Mr. Page continued to insist his views have never affected his work, but gay rights activists are outraged by the case.
The law says that gay people must be treated equally without discrimination. Yet as a magistrate, Richard Page opposed same-sex couples adopting children, and that quite clearly was an act of discrimination which is contrary to the law, and we simply cannot have people involved in the law who do not uphold it.
Christian campaigners argue he's fighting for an important principle.
I think it's absolutely vital that people like Richard Page should not be excluded from the public space. Here we have a man who's given a lifetime to public service, who's given a lifetime to serving the community, who believes in the Bible, like millions of people across the world. The tribunal's expected to last another 3 days. Amanda Acas, BBC South East Today, Croydon.